Exposure, meaning pronunciation I-K-S-P-O-H-zur. Exposure refers to the state of being exposed to something, such as experiencing or encountering a condition, environment, or risk. It can also refer to revealing or making something visible, like information or a situation. Simple meaning: exposure equals the state of being exposed to something / revealing something. Common uses. 1. Exposure noun general, the state of being in contact with or subjected to something, especially something harmful or risky. Example, prolonged exposure to the sun can cause skin damage. 2. Exposure noun, media, the act of making something known or visible, especially information or a scandal. Example, the journalist's investigation led to the exposure of the corruption. 3. Exposure noun, photography, the amount of light allowed to reach the camera's sensor or film. Example, the photographer adjusted the exposure to capture the perfect shot. 4. Exposure noun, medical, the condition of being exposed to something that can cause harm, such as a virus or toxins. Example, the doctor warned about the risk of exposure to contagious diseases. Examples daily use sentences. 1. The exposure to extreme cold caused frostbite on his fingers. 2. Her exposure to new cultures during her travels made her more open-minded. 3. The exposure of the company's financial problems caused stock prices to drop. 4. Proper exposure in photography is essential for a clear image. 5. The exposure to harmful chemicals at work led to health issues. Real-life explanation. Exposure refers to being introduced or subjected to something, whether it's physical like sunlight or chemicals, or informational like a secret or issue being revealed. It can have both positive and negative effects depending on the context.